All right, you can see a bamboo frame here. These are the bamboo slices, and these two are the vertical elements, left side and right side, and all these horizontal elements. So you can see this is a DIY canvas, so traditional handmade canvas for the painting. Now I'm going to put the the green colors to draw the trees in this side. Okay, putting the colors. As you know, the texture and the surface is little bit rough and it has ups and downs, so it's little different from the traditional canvases. So the painting styles will be also different, the brush strokes going to be different. So that's why I'm just putting it in a different way, just the diffusing all the colors to show it looks like a water, and you can see to show it like a tree. Okay, let's do some extensions of the branches in this side. All right, we can add some little bit of water. Also here you can have some water too. Okay, all right, let's take the dark color here to show the branches of the trees. Putting the colors here in few strokes. Okay, so there's going to be the one large tree, another one is going to be in this side. Okay, putting the strokes. This tree varies little bit sizes. Two trees here. Okay, few dots on the ground level to show the grasses and other stuffs. All right, okay, so you can see the ground level is uniform color, and also some other colors in between the trees. Okay, so these color combinations here shows just like the landscape in a little bit different with a nice view. Okay, all right, adding some colors at the bottom border of this canvas. Okay, now we're adding the water for the whole canvas and making it like a partially blue color all over it. So little bit thicker color on the top, then just diffusing the colors as it progress to the bottom. Okay, all right, adding some waters again. Here just put some few strokes with the longer lines. With the green color too, few strokes with the longer lines, you can see. Okay, so that defines a certain landscape types. All right, it looks like a fence. but because the color dissolving, so let's dissolve it. Sometimes you can change the directions of the painting. So it looks like a water now in the canvas. All right, now we are going to show the red color sun on this side here, putting a deep color. So the direction you have seen that shows a totally change the painting directions. And as you know, the tree is only the green color, so we can add little bit red in the bottom in some particular you know segments of the trees. So there's the beauty of the drawing. You can use your imaginations to draw anything as you aspire or you want to draw it like. Okay, also here outlining the major trunk. All right, so there's the drawing, putting a regular color for the borders, also putting the regular color these borders too, and this is the complete drawing. All right, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.